Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be giving you my YouFibre review. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so YouFibre is a full fibre internet provider that claims to deliver extremely fast speeds, with some packages going all the way up to 7,000 megabytes per second. That's far higher than what most traditional broadband companies offer. And unlike standard connections, YouFibre gives you the same upload and download speeds. That's a big deal if you do things like gaming, streaming, video calling, or uploading large files. Now, when everything is set up correctly, even for a wide connection or a strong Wi-Fi 6 router, the performance feels instant. Video plays in 4K with no buffering. Online gaming responds immediately, and even when multi people are using the connection all at once, nothing slows down. It's one of those services where you instantly notice the speed difference compared to normal broadband. However, there are a couple of things to consider. YouFibre isn't available in every area yet, so you need to check if your location is covered. Also, even though the top speeds are sounding amazing, older devices or weaker Wi-Fi setups might not fully take advantage of them. And because YouFibre is focused purely on broadband, you won't get extra bundles like TV or landline options. Now, pricing is generally reasonable for the performance you're getting, and installation is usually carried out by engineers, so you don't need to handle anything technical. The whole service is built for people who want fast internet and nothing more complicated. So, is YouFibre really fast or just overhyped? So, it genuinely is fast, there's no doubt about that. If you're someone who streams games or works online every day, it's absolutely worth considering. But if you only need doing basic browsing or watching an occasional video, it might be more power than you actually need.